What is up, ladies and gentlemen? If you're new, welcome to Roy's Customs, and if you've been around a while, welcome back. This weekend I've been pretty busy. I've been working on the old engine, the old 2-liter engine out of the Golf. So I do have that for you, so stay tuned. I don't want to completely bore you guys with my videos, so I think I'm going to try something a little bit new this time. I will be breaking in a couple of times and just kind of talk to you about different things, so that it doesn't get so boring just watching me like bounce through stuff that I've done. I am trying to do different format so that I could kind of keep your attention a little better and give you a little bit more information on what I am doing with my projects and on my channel. Okay, so I went ahead and I cleaned off like whatever the of the old gasket that there was. I went ahead and cleaned all that off. I got my I went ahead and got rid of all the soot and the carbon off of the valves. I usually do that. You don't have to. I don't guess you really have to. It's just something that I do. So anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to check level. I do have a feeler gauge. This one's on 203. It is kind of small. It's actually normally, I think it's normally 305 that you want to check, but I'll go one under. That way I kind of know whether it's good or not. So what I'll do is I'll take and then I'll just use the feeler gauge, and if the feeler gauge doesn't go under there, then I know it's level and it's nice and flat. I'll even go like crossways. And then I usually check it in a few different spots. On both sides. And then that'll tell me if it's nice and straight or not. And then what I'll go ahead and do is I'll take like a piece of fine sandpaper. I'll wipe it down with my rag, try to get it wiped off as good as possible. And then I'll take my fine sandpaper and just go across it. I'm using a soft block, but you can use a hard block and it's fine. But I'll usually take and I'll block it a little bit, kind of clean it up, and that way I know that I'm staying even with, you know, each section. Kind of make sure that it's straight. This here, I actually do like this thing. It's a zip quick sponge. But as long as you keep it nice and smooth, nice and even. You can even go through and get another piece. It goes through it pretty fast because it's aluminum. Got another. This is actually 320. You could use 320. You could use 320, 420, whatever. But I'm just using 320. It's pretty decent. And then wipe it down again, and she is ready to go back on as far as that goes. She's ready as far as that goes. But I do have a little more cleaning to do on the front side. I'll have to take the cam gear off and do some cleaning on the front of it. I mean, this thing isn't going to be polished and shiny or nothing. It's not going to be like that, but I do have some more cleaning to do on this side too, so I'm going to get to that. Okay, so as you can tell, as you can see by the video, I did get quite a bit done to the 2-liter Golf engine this weekend. I will have to get the gaskets and stuff and get it back together, and I'll have video for you on that as well. I'll even throw in like specs and stuff like that for you. But that, I believe, is going to be it for this particular video. I sure appreciate you guys watching, and feel free to like and subscribe if you wish, and hit the notifications if you want. You know, you can keep track of what's going on with the Volkswagen Golf, and I will be getting back to the ZX2 pretty soon. So I'll kind of be, you know, working on both projects. I have 2 different plans for the vehicles, so there's going to be like body work and stuff that needs done on the Golf, and there's going to be like a lot of different things that I need to do to the ZX2 as well. I mean, I need to change the struts and stuff like that, and there's a lot of parts that just need replaced and stuff. And so anyways, thank you guys for watching, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.